Hello, welcome. Let us have some more problems of chapter Problems on Simultaneous Linear Equations. Already you have learned some problems of different varieties. Today let us have few more. Today's first question is 4 years ago, Mariana was 3 times as old as her daughter. 6 years from now, the mother will be twice as old as her daughter. Find the present ages. Okay. So if we take, let us take Mariana means mother. Either Mariana says you can write or mother says. Let mother's present age or present age of mother is X years. Daughter's age will be, let us take daughter's age. Daughter's present age is Y years. Okay. What is given 4 years ago, Mariana was 3 times as old as her daughter. So let us find 4 years ago, what was mother's age? Mother's age was X minus 4 years. And 4 years ago, daughter's age was Y minus 4 years. Yes or no? If present age of daughter is Y years, 4 years ago daughter's age was Y minus 4 years. And mother's age was X minus 4 years. As per the question, according to question, 4 years ago, Mariana means mother was, means X minus 4 is equal to 3 times as old as her daughter, Y minus 4. Means 4 years ago, mother's age was 3 times of daughter's age. So X minus 4 is equal to 3Y minus 12, or X minus 3Y is equal to minus 12 plus 4, or X minus 3Y is equal to minus 8. Let us take this equation as first equation. Okay. Now, 6 years from now, the mother will be twice as old as her daughter. And again for this statement, let us frame the equation. Okay. 6 years from now means 6 years hence, means after 6 years, mother's age will be, if present age is X years, after 6 years, mother's age will be X plus 6 years, daughter's age will be Y plus 6 years. Y plus 6 years. And what is the relationship given? 6 years from now, mother will be twice as old as her daughter. So according to question, X plus 6 will be 2 into Y plus 6. Now let me write here. X plus 6 equal to 2Y plus 12, or X minus 2Y is equal to 12 minus 6. That implies X minus 2Y is equal to 6. This is our second equation. Now we got two simultaneous equations. Let us solve them to find the values of X and Y, which gives us mother's age and daughter's age. So this is X minus 3Y is equal to minus 8. X minus 2Y is equal to 6. If you subtract, you will get minus Y equal to minus 14. That implies Y is equal to 14. Y equal to means daughter's age is 14 years we got. So let me clear here this side and do. So the value of Y we got, that is daughter's age we got. Now let us find the value of X, which gives us mother's age. Okay. So in order to find the value of X, let us take any one equation. either this or this. X minus 2y is equal to 6. X minus 2, y value 14 we got, 2 into 14 is equal to 6. That implies x minus 14 to the 28 equal to 6, or x equal to 6 plus 28. That implies x is equal to 34 years. That means x is mother's age, y is daughter's age. And the question is, you have to find their present ages. Therefore, mother's present age is 34 years. Daughter's present age is 14 years. By 14? I hope this is clear to you. So this equation we have taken to find the value of x. Let us substitute these values in the other equation and see. X is 34 minus 3 into y. 14 3s are 3 into 14, 42. 34 minus 42 is minus 8. We got it. That means our solution is correct. Okay. Now let me solve one more variety, one problem of different variety for you. So your second question is, a boat takes 2 hours to go 40 kilometers down the stream and it returns in 4 hours. Okay. Find the speed of the boat in still water and the speed of the stream. Let us take, speed of the boat in still water is, or be x kilometer per hour. Speed of the stream is y kilometer per hour. Now let me explain you something. Down the stream, the boat takes 2 hours to go 40 kilometers down the stream. The meaning of this is both water and boat will be moving in the same direction. Suppose boat is moving from this side to that side, water also will be moving in the same direction. At that time, the speed of the boat will be x plus y kilometer per hour. If the speed of the boat is x kilometer per hour, speed of the stream is y kilometer per hour, stream means water flow, then downstream speed will be x plus y kilometer per hour. Returns, and it returns means upstream. That means returning time, the direction of water and boat will be different. At that time, speed of the boat decreases. Okay. At that time, speed of the boat will be x minus y kilometer per hour. That one we say upstream speed. Downstream means both in the same direction, both water and boat. Upstream means water and boat will be moving in the different directions. So, when we take speed of the boat in still water as x kilometer per hour, speed of the stream is y kilometer per hour, downstream speed is x plus y kilometer per hour, upstream speed will be x minus y kilometer per hour. Okay. Now it is given that distance is 40 kilometer, time taken 2 hours for downstream speed. Okay. Distance for both the cases is same. 40 kilometers it goes and returns same distance. But going time it is taking 2 hours time, returning time it is taking 4 hours time. So according to question, downstream speed equal to, for better understanding again I am writing, downstream speed equal to x plus y, that equal to, you know that speed equal to distance by time, 40 by time is 2, 20. That means x plus y is 20. I hope this is clear to you. Similarly, upstream speed, that means returning time, speed we got x minus y, okay, x minus y, same distance returning time, but returning time taking is 4 hours, that is 10. That means x minus y is 10. This is our second equation. So now we got two simultaneous equations. Let us solve them. X plus y is equal to 20. X minus y is equal to 10. Plus y minus y cancels. 2x is equal to 30 or x is equal to 30 by 2, that is 15 km per hour. X means speed of the boat in still water we got. Now let us find the value of y. X plus y is 20. X we got 15 plus y is 20. That implies y is equal to 20 minus 15 or y equal to 5 km per hour. So y is speed of the stream. Our question to find is find the speed of the boat in still water and find the speed of the stream. So what is asked? Let us write therefore speed of the boat in still water is, we got 15 km per hour and the speed of the stream is speed of the stream by 5 km per hour. Okay, so 15 plus 5, 20, 15 minus 5, 10. Children, in 3 classes I have done different varieties of questions basing on this chapter, problems based on simultaneous equations. Different varieties I have done. Please go through them and practice well. Okay, thank you.